In this video, I will show you how to create private games in CS2. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course launch Counter-Strike 2 from Steam. So here we are, as you can see, I've got CS2 loaded. Now what you're going to want to do from here is come up to the top and press onto the play button up here in the middle. And from here, what you're going to want to do is come across and press onto practice. And then you just want to go ahead and choose what type of match you want to play, whether that's a deathmatch, a wingman, competitive or casual. And what you can do is set the options for the game. So if you come to the left hand side, you can choose whether you want an open party or the grenade camera on, infinite ammo and so on and so forth. And all you need to do is go ahead and select your map. So for example, I'm going to go ahead for Vertigo. And then all you need to do is come down to the bottom and press the go button down here. So once that's done, that's going to create your private game server. And what will happen is friends will be able to go ahead and join your private game. So that's how to go ahead and create private games in CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.